Dhruvika Mahesh Jadhav will be presenting Lokmanya Tilak speech.
Good morning, all of you. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Dhruvika Mahesh Jadhav. My school name is Disha English Medium School, Satana. I study in junior KG class. Today I am going to tell you about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Chikli, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. His father's name was Gangadhar Pant and mother's name was Parvati Bai. He started publication of Shiv Jayanti and Ganeshotsav. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all of you.
Very good, Dhruvika.